Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Asmira binti Zalani. Matrix number KA18044. So today I would like to answer the question regarding to the mini project. Okay, so the first question is describe your contribution in this integrated project. Okay, so the first the contribution in this integrated project is attending the group discussions and also finding the related journal regarding to the this mini project. For example, the values that we want to use in order to for us to proceed with the material balance. Besides that, I also do the market survey for this 280 Hz product, and also do the equipment costing for the main equipment, which is the distillation column and also the separator. I also do helping into the format, help in the format report, such as converting the link reference into the APA style. Okay, so the second question is, did you find any company that produce your product in Malaysia or Southeast Asia or Asia regions, and what is their production capacity? Okay, so I do find the company that produce our product, which is a 280 Hz, which is one of the company is located in Malaysia, which is the Malaysia's BASF Petronas, which is it runs the OSO alcohol unit. Okay, OSO alcohol unit, example of it is that is commercially important, which is the 280 ethanol and butanol and also the N-butyl aldehyde. The operating OSO alcohol plant is located at Gebang industrial zone in Kuantan, Pahang, which is Malaysia, at the full capacity. Okay, the full capacity is around 80,000 ton per year for the 280 hexanols. And then in the Asia region also, I do found the Petro OSO Nusantara, which is located at the Tuban, Indonesia, with the production capacity of 135,000 ton per year. Okay, the third question is, can you elaborate amount of demand, supply and the market growth of your product? Okay, so the amount of demand, supply and also the market growth of the 280 hexanol is, okay, the demand of the 280 hexanol is mainly dominated by the manufacturer of the plasticizer. It's increased due to the application in the chemical intermediates, the coating industry and also the paint industry. So it also received the high demand in the construction and automotive industry. Other than that, the largest share of the 280 hexanol market is the Asia Pacific, driven by the rising of the plasticizer demand in emerging economies such as China, Vietnam and also the Indonesia. So the key manufacturer for the 280 hexanol companies is the BASF, which is the German multinational company, and also the DOW Chemicals Company, which is the headquartered located at the mainland and also the Michigan and United States. The third one is the Eastman Chemical Company and also the Sasol Company, which is based at the South Africa. The market growth of the 280 hexanols is, during 2019, the market size of the 280 hexanol is around 5.91 billion, and in its revenue forecast in 2025 is 8.57 billion USD. And the growth rate of the CAGR is expected around 6.3% from the 2019 to 2025, with the estimation base from 2016. Okay, the third question is, okay, the fourth question is, did your plant have the separator other than distillations? How many and their functions? How do you design it? Okay, other than the distillation, we have three separator, which is the flash drum for V101, V102 and also V103. Okay, the function of each separator, for example, for the V101, the flash drum separator is a gas liquid separator, which is operate at the 30 bar to separate the catalyst solutions from the OSO raw product and recycle to the OSO reactor, which follows the OSO separator. And then for the V102, the flash drum separator also, the gas liquid separator operates at the atmospheric pressure in order to yield a liquid phase of aldehyde, alcohol, heavy ends and water, which is free from the propane, propylene, and also the carbon monoxide and hydrogen. And the third separator, which is V103, it separate the 2-ethylhexanol and then send the 2-ethylhexanol to the hydrogenation unit. How do we design the separator? First we are referring to the journal. Okay, we are using the flash drum separator. So first we are referring to the journal, which is the 1CAT 2012 journal, in order for us to identify the equations and also the constant for the separator, for the flash drum, and then the example of the constant that we find is A, B, C, in order for us to substitute it into the equations, into the K drum equations. And then the informations, we find the further informations for the liquid component and the vapor component, such as the molecular weight, the density. We find the further information such as the molecular weight, the density, and also the specific volume for the liquid component and also the vapor components. And then we proceed our calculation for the height and diameter of the separator in order for us to calculate the volume and also the area of the separator. And then all the equation and the constant, we refer to the 1CAT 2012 journal, which specifically for the flash drum designing separator. That's it from me. Thank you.